If you live in Grove City, Ohio and have a house in Grove City, Ohio, and you are thinking about downsizing or looking to downsize at some point in the future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been working with homeowners and sellers in and around Grove City, Ohio. And one of the most frequent calls and one of the most common calls that we get here are people just like you who are looking to downsize. So I completely understand your situation. Maybe you're looking for something smaller because the kids are grown. Maybe you're an empty nester, or maybe you're just looking for something with less upkeep and less maintenance, and that's perfectly okay. I understand you are most likely not in some situation where you're desperate. It's not a fire sale. You're not looking to give it away, and that's perfectly understandable and perfectly reasonable. That's not what we're looking for. We work with sellers who are looking to keep this convenient and keep it fair and still get a good price on their home, but they don't want to have to do any work to the property, and that's what we do. So when we buy your house in Grove City, Ohio, we're going to buy it in its as-is condition. And what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to haul anything away, you don't need to clean anything. Nothing whatsoever. We buy every house in its as-is condition because we're a true cash buyer, and this is where the convenience comes into play. We're not like a traditional buyer that's working with a realtor where you have to list your house on the market and then the realtor is going to have 100 different walkthroughs and an open house, and then you're going to be working with a buyer who's got to qualify for a loan. It could be complicated, and maybe that's not what you're looking for. That's not what we do. We keep it very simple. We're a true cash buyer, and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition, and we can close on the date of your choice. So this is very important. It's often overlooked, but the timing and the timeline of when you're looking to have this sold, because maybe you have other plans. Maybe you are moving closer to family or moving into a condo, moving into an apartment even. I spoke to somebody today who was moving into a beautiful apartment because they were downsizing and they were going to do great, sell the house, put a whole bunch of money in the bank, and they just wanted to enjoy something that didn't have any upkeep. Whatever your situation is, if you want to close quickly, we can close quickly. If you need more flexibility, like you need to find a new place or you need our help finding a new place, if you need our help with movers, whatever your situation is, we can move quickly if needed, or we can be flexible if needed because we're an as-is buyer, we're a cash buyer, and the most important thing is if you're downsizing, we understand you've probably been there for a long time, you probably have a lot of memories in this house. We're going to treat you fair. We are a local company. This is not some call center that you call into in a foreign land who's not even familiar with Grove City. It's not that at all. We're neighbors at the end of the day. We're going to treat you fair, get you a great price on the house, keep everything simple and easy and convenient. So when you give us a call at 614-300-5151, or you visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com, when we get on the phone, the conversation is going to be very easy. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about any timeline that you're working with. And there's never going to be any pressure or forced urgency or, games or gimmicks or sales tactics. It's just very transparent. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. If our offer works for you, great. We will move forward, and we're going to communicate extremely clearly throughout this entire process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands and part as friends. No crime, no foul. We have hundreds of references, testimonials, and positive reviews, and that's from treating people fair. So if you have a house in Grove City, Ohio, if you are downsizing, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.